Hello, and welcome to the 2019 Medical Industry Outlook brought to you by Kyocera SGS Precision Tools and today's Medical Developments magazine. I am Elizabeth Engler-Modick, editor of GIE Media's manufacturing group of magazines, and today I will be covering what the medical design and manufacture market has in store this year and down the road. As the population ages and the worldwide geriatric population increases to 1.5 billion by 2050, that will be 16% of the total world population, demand for medical devices and advanced technologies will continue to expand. On the conservative side of the forecast, the global medical technology MedTech market is estimated to reach 409.5 billion by 2023, with a compound annual growth rate of 4.5%. More optimism for the medical industry comes from analysts at Evaluate MedTech, who see the global medical device market growing at a 5.6% compound annual growth rate, reaching 595 billion by 2024. In this market, direct and indirect employment accounts for nearly 2 million jobs, with MedTech directly accounting for more than 500,000 jobs. And while 80% of medical device companies in the United States consist of fewer than 50 employees, the MedTech industry is far-reaching, employing people in all 50 states. The U.S. is the largest medical device market, representing about 40% of the global industry, with exports surpassing 41 billion this past year, according to Select USA, a U.S. Department of Commerce program. However, a strong medtech sector can highlight challenges original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, and contract manufacturing organizations, CMOs, face. Some of these are reimbursement, which continues to shift to a value-based positive outcome model. So new medical technology must deliver improved outcomes at the same cost or less than what's currently available in the market. MedTech must be produced better, safer, faster, and more economically to have the best chance for market acceptance. So early stage collaboration requires a design for manufacturing approach. Benefits of design for manufacturing enables proactive designing of products which optimizes the manufacturing, from machining and fabrication to assembly, test, procurement, shipping, delivery, service, and repair. This delivers the best cost, quality, reliability, regulatory compliance, safety, time to market, and customer satisfaction. With this continued push of design for manufacturability, changing roles are being seen with original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, and contract manufacturing organizations, CMOs. OEMs are consolidating suppliers, factories, and equipment, becoming leaner, while CMOs consolidate to turn around and grow with expanded capabilities. Estimates from VisionGain show that the contract manufacturing organization market will reach 316 billion by 2023, a 10.5% compound annual growth rate, as they deliver everything from design and added manufacturing capacity to final assembly, packaging, and shipping. CMOs are investing more in smart manufacturing and advanced technologies, robotics, tooling, automation, hybrid machines, 3D printing, advanced analytics, Internet of Things, to produce everything from microscopic medical implants to magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, machines. The Fall 2018 Medical Device Contract Manufacturing Update from global advisory firm Duff & Phillips LLC indicates how original equipment manufacturers consolidation spurs contract manufacturing organization consolidation, leading to expanded offerings. Areas of note include cost. OEM cost cutting to reduce supplier numbers has positioned CMOs to benefit from downstream pressure as they offer a wider range of capabilities, lowering OEM costs. Innovation. OEM innovation and advanced technology investments allow specialized CMOs to gain traction through engineering capabilities and the ability to scale capacity. Demand. CMO consolidation by OEMs has led to unprecedented levels of activity. Larger players using a buy and build strategy to acquire smaller players within a fragmented industry. Speed. With medical product lifecycle shortening, CMOs must launch product quickly and scale up when the market calls for it, creating a tailwind to gain wallet share for the OEMs. And capital investment. CMOs are outpacing OEMs as OEMs leverage CMO one-stop shop manufacturing services to gain greater visibility into the supply chain. Now let's move on to cutting tools. The U.S. cutting tools sector market has grown about 1.5% annually, according to McKinsey & Company, with more than 200 mergers and acquisitions of cutting tool companies worth more than $4 billion in value since 2000. With a total available market of about $5 billion, indexable tools are growing at a higher rate than solid tools, both carbide and non-carbide, and the most value coming from milling at about 38% and hole making at about 20%. Demand within the medical sector will remain stable. Vendors looking for protection against economic turmoil will find a haven in surgical and orthopedic cutting tools, McKinsey Research predicts. The December 2018 U.S. cutting tool consumption totaled 189.1 million. This is according to the U.S. Cutting Tool Institute and AMT, the Association for Manufacturing Technology. This total was down 9.7% from November's 209.42 million and up 8.1% when compared with the 175 million reported for December 2017. With a year-to-date total of 2.47 billion, 2018 was up 12.5% compared with 2017. As we move into 2019, here is how it has started. January 2019 U.S. cutting tool consumption totaled 208.27 million, up 10.1% from December's 189.1 million, and up 13.4% compared with the 183.6 million reported for January 2018. According to Eli Lustgarten, president of ESL Consultants, cutting tool consumption continued at high levels in January 2019, rising 13.4% year over year. Demand is consistent with recent Institute of Supply Management's Purchasing Managers Index of 56.6 and 54.2 in January and February 2019. This suggests a moderating but firm manufacturing sector in the first half of 2019. However, storm clouds continue to be visible with automotive and housing demand slowing, volatile energy and commodity prices, ongoing trade tensions, and the unfolding global economic slowdown, particularly in China and the European Union. Comparisons will get tougher as the year progresses, with orders likely to trail shipments. This sets the stage for a slower second half of 2019 into 2020 without some positive economic stimulation. Moving on to U.S. manufacturing technology orders, these posted 443 million in December 2018, down 2% from November 2018, and down 6% from December 2017. The year-end total for 2018 was 5.5 billion, up 19% from the annual sum for 2017. The November to December drop was only the fourth time in the program's 23-year history that a year didn't end with an uptick in orders from November. With 2018 behind us, a look at the U.S. manufacturing technology orders for January 2019 shows it totaled 396 million, marking the second strongest January in the history of the USMTO program. Orders declined 10.5% from December 2018, but at half the average decline in January over December levels since 1998. January 2019 grew 5% over January 2018, an indicator of continued expansion in the market into 2019 after an annual expansion of 19% for 2018. In the Deloitte Consultants 2019 Industrial Manufacturing Outlook, Vice Chairman Paul Welliner projects, based on the Oxford Economic Model, that final 2018 manufacturing GDP would likely grow 3% from 2017, the highest annual growth levels recorded since 2010. Welliner also projects that manufacturing GDP should increase by 3.7% in 2019, explaining that the latest Manufacturers Outlook survey, where optimism reached 93.9%, is the highest yearly average ever recorded. Additionally, analysis by the Manufacturers Alliance for Productivity and Innovation indicates the U.S. manufacturing sector is likely to regain output levels lost during the Great Recession. Manufacturing is forecast to increase faster than the general economy. The Mappy Foundation says increased capital growth and higher exports will boost manufacturing. It predicts production will grow 3.9% in 2019. It will slow slightly to 2.4% in 2020 and 1.9% in 2021. There are opportunities. Welliner cautions that the manufacturing industry is dealing with one of the tightest labor markets in history, with high job opening levels, more than 400,000 since January 2018, and historic low unemployment rates. But technology opens up opportunities. Digital technologies can be applied to product development and innovation through 3D prototyping and digital twins. Artificial intelligence and cognitive technologies can foster growth in the customer lifecycle and create exceptional experiences. And automation can deliver measurable outcomes, Welliner says. Nearly half of the manufacturers, 49%, are using a form of industrial automation in their business, with plans to increase its use. Industrial companies have an opportunity to flip the switch on productivity with the right strategy and approach. Welliner feels that 2019 will separate digital leaders from the followers. Which will you be? Now, a little bit about our sponsor. Kyocera SGS Precision Tools is an ISO-certified manufacturer of industry-leading round solid carbide cutting tools, having pioneered some of the world's most advanced cutting tool technologies resulting from rigorous product, coating, and material testing within its Global Innovation Center. KSPT technical sales engineers, application specialists, and distribution partners deliver reliable service and support to all market segments, helping drive innovation and application strategies and cutting tool technologies for the end user and providing the most value at the spindle. Thank you for your interest in the 2019 medical industry forecast brought to you by Kyocera SGS Precision Tools and Today's Medical Developments magazine. For more information, please visit www.kyocera-sgstool.com. Thank you.